hot new brand.
Salute everybody, a hot new brand on Hot Mixology. The hot new brand today is Eastside Distilling out of Portland, Oregon. My friend Lenny at Eastside Distilling sent me a bunch of products into Hot Mixology, and I want to introduce you first to all of these products that he distills there at Eastside Distilling. And then throughout the next weeks, I'm going to show you different cocktails with each of these products. Today, I started today sipping on, as it's a nice warm day here in Colorado. I'm doing the Cherry Bomb and Coke. Kind of a cherry Coke right here with the Cherry Bomb whiskey. Now, this is a cherry whiskey made with real Oregon cherries, one of the great products that Eastside Distilling distills there. Now let's go through the products that they have. They have the Portland Potato Vodka from Eastside Distilling, and potato vodka, Portland, Oregon, 4 times distilled. Just a great flavors on this vodka. Really a true potato vodka, as you would expect from a potato vodka. So great job on that, Eastside Distilling, a great job, Leonard. Next up, he has his rums. He has a silver rum, Below Deck rums, and handcrafted, small batched rums. Starting with the Below Deck, the silver rum. Moving on, he has a small batch Below Deck spiced rum, and of course the coffee rum. And I started my day today with the coffee rum in a little bit of coffee in a cup of espresso, and it just was excellent. Great flavors on that rum. Moving on to the whiskeys, Eastside Distilling creates the Marionberry whiskey with real Oregon Marionberries, which is interesting. I haven't tried this yet, but I think maybe this afternoon I'll give this a shot or two. Just like I said, a simple packaging, and the label says it all. Great colors, great flavors in what I've tasted so far from Eastside Distilling. Of course, next on the whiskeys, the Cherry Bomb, as I already said, real Oregon cherries, cherry whiskey, natural flavors, just really, I just mixed it with Coca-Cola on the rocks right here. And I gotta tell you, it tastes like the cherry Coke. You don't get a huge punch off of the whiskey, just real great flavors and a perfect finish on that from the flavors of the whiskey. It's just a perfect cocktail right here, easy on a sunny day. And of course, let's end with the Burnside Bourbon. Now this is a 4-year barreled aged straight bourbon whiskey, and you know, I'll tell you, the back of the bottle says it best, as it says, put some sideburns on your face. You know, Burnside Bourbon. It's just such an interesting packaging and such an interesting product, and you can tell by the time and effort that Lenny puts into the labels and being creative on that. He does the same for what's inside of the bottle, as I said. You gotta check it out for yourself. Go to hotmixology.com for all the information about Eastside Distilling and all their great products. Go to hotmixology.com, hit the featured brands page. I got a link right there that takes you straight to Eastside Distilling. Give Lenny a call up there and ask him, hey, tell me about your products. He'll be glad to share them with you. It's Hot Mixology with a hot new brand. We're talking about Eastside Distilling and my friend Lenny. Salute, everybody.